Hello YouTube, this is your Kuya DIY Paul Abordo, and we will have a simple unboxing and checking out of the BMC M1 mini CPAP machine. Right out of the box, it has a nice packaging and a premium feel. We bought this in June of 2023 for less than 30,000 pesos, and the current price right now is around 50,000 pesos. Here are some details from the top, sides, and bottom of the box. Despite the bumps and dings in the box, we are confident that the item is in good condition. Upon opening of the box, here we are presented with a top cover, which also is a simple manual. Then on top, it shows the app that we need to use, which is called the LightTrip, which is both available for Android and Apple users. Here we have the actual unit, but let us explore what is still inside the box. On the left part, bottom part, we have here the air filter. I think it has 3 right out of the box. Then we have the power adapter from BMC. Let me just pull it. Then on the right part of the box, we have the standard tube, which it has its own bag, some paperwork, stream bag, and carrying bag. So let us check the lower part if it has something, which it doesn't have. Now let's just put everything back together. Now we have the unit itself. Let me just open it. You may pause the video later to see the details at the bottom of the unit. So we have the details at the bottom. It has the serial, model, and power rating voltage. There. And on top, we have the power and Bluetooth indicators and a button, power button, but it is not really a clickable one. For the sides, we have the air intake, which needs the air filter, and the other side has the power socket together with the air outlet for the tube, then to the mask. Now, this CPAP machine has the following features. It includes sensitivity adjustment, smart AC function, boost delay wireless transmission or connectivity, supply reminder to change your air filter, the maintenance reminder to clean and check the unit. Once again, this model of a CPAP machine, it is ultra portable. So now we can see in the video, we are just attaching the free adapter. Then we just put the other stuff at the side, and let's check the tube. Upon inspection, this is a standard size tube with the length and its hole. Now this is the filter that is included. Let us just install this. This is how it looks. We will have a separate video for this operating the unit. Okay, so just wait. So to open, just pop it right out. Get your filter. And it is best to get the cover and install it first there. As you can see, it fits perfectly. Then just pop it right back. Make sure that all around it is sealed. Just push gently. Once again, this is the other side wherein it is the air output and your connection for the power supply. So let us just open the standard tube and we'll try to install it so that everyone can see. So there are also details imprinted in the tube. If you want to see it, just pause the video. Both sides has the same size. So to install the tube, we just need to pry it on the side near the power adapter. Just slide it in or press it in. Then we have the other part of the tube for your mask. In this case, it includes a P2 nasal mask. Then this is the manual. It is best to read it first to check the other features. Okay, so we will end our video. Here are some more pages. So once again, thank you. Subscribe, like, and share.